Folks, I believe this stock is screaming by right now. It just reported the best quarter in its entire history. Revenue up 99% in a single year. Q4 revenue beat analyst expectations. $248 million in cash with almost zero debt. And management just guided for $225 to $260 million in revenue for 2026. But here's the part that stopped me cold. This week they unveiled something at NVIDIA GTC that no company has ever done before. A multimodal, multilingual AI platform running completely on device. No cloud, no internet connection, no latency, no privacy concerns. Just pure AI intelligence running locally on the device itself. And the market has not fully priced this in yet. The stock is down 27% this year, even as revenue is exploding higher. That gap between what this company is building and where this stock is trading right now is exactly the kind of setup serious investors pay attention to. Now I am going to present my case, and then I want you to go do your own due diligence and be your own judge. Make sure you subscribe right now and hit that bell icon. Every single day, I bring you the freshest stock analysis here on Stock Alerts Daily. Do not miss a single one. Now let me tell you what this company actually does. Because most investors think voice AI is just Siri or Alexa, this is completely different. This company builds independent voice artificial intelligence solutions for businesses, not consumers. Businesses. When you call a restaurant and an AI takes your order. When you talk to your car and it actually understands complex requests. When you walk into a hotel and voice AI handles your check-in. When a retail employee gets real-time AI recommendations while talking to a customer. There is a very real chance this company's technology is powering that interaction. They are not building a voice assistant for individuals. They are building the voice AI infrastructure layer for the entire enterprise economy. And they process nearly 30 million AI customer interactions every single month. The company has 3 core divisions. Division 1, Automotive Voice AI. Their technology is embedded directly inside vehicles from major automotive manufacturers. When you talk to your car without pressing a button, and it understands complex layered commands in multiple languages, that is their Polaris speech foundation model at work. And their new on-device AI platform unveiled at NVIDIA GTC this week allows the car to see and hear simultaneously without needing an internet connection. That is a completely new category of automotive AI. Division 2, Enterprise Agentic AI. Their Amelia 7 platform builds AI agents for large enterprises. Not chatbots. Full AI agents that can think, reason, and take action across complex enterprise workflows. Deployed at hundreds of large organizations, including some of the biggest names in retail, financial services, healthcare, and telecommunications. Division 3, Restaurant and Retail AI. Their smart ordering and smart answering platforms are deployed at over 10,000 restaurant and retail locations globally. Five Guys just expanded their partnership in January 2026. The system handles 100% of incoming orders during peak hours. Not some orders, every single order. Now the profit picture. Full year 2025 revenue came in at $168.9 million. That is up 99% year over year, nearly double in a single year. Q4 2025 revenue was $55.1 million. That beat analyst expectations of $53.98 million. Q4 EPS loss came in at just 2 cents per share, down from a 5-cent loss in Q4 2024. This company is clearly moving toward profitability. Gross margin stands at 42.4%. That is a strong margin for an AI software company. $248 million in cash. Debt to equity ratio of just 0.01, almost zero debt. And management is guiding for near break-even adjusted EBITDA profitability through 2026. This company had a contractual backlog of nearly $1.2 billion exiting 2024, $1.2 billion in future contracted revenue. That is multi-year revenue visibility that most companies would dream about. Now the news. And there is a lot happening right now. News item 1. NVIDIA GTC 2026. This week, SoundHound unveiled the world's first multimodal, multilingual agentic plus AI platform running completely on device at the NVIDIA GTC conference. Their platform integrates vision speech and reasoning on NVIDIA Drive AGX Orin hardware to enable offline low latency in-vehicle assistance with enhanced privacy. This is not a minor product update. This is a category-defining technology unveiled at the most important AI conference in the world alongside NVIDIA. News Item 2. Record Q4 results. The company reported record annual revenue of $168.9 million for 2025 and closed a record number of enterprise deals in Q4. Record revenue. Record enterprise deals. In the same quarter. News Item 3. Sales Assist launch at MWC Barcelona. SoundHound launched Sales Assist, a voice-powered real-time agentic AI for retail that debuted at Mobile World Congress Barcelona in March 2026. The system processes upgrades, bundles, promotions, and compliance information for retail floor staff in real time. A completely new vertical for the company. News Item 4. Bengaluru Innovation Hub opened. SoundHound opened a new state-of-the-art innovation hub in Bengaluru, India in February 2026 to accelerate global agentic AI development and tap into one of the world's fastest-growing engineering talent pools. News Item 5. Manpower Group Express Partnership. SoundHound partnered with Manpower Group's Express division to offer voice AI integration staffing and implementation services for faster enterprise deployments and wider customer rollouts. Now the future growth. Management is guiding for $225 to $260 million in revenue in 2026. That is 33 to 54% growth on top of 99% growth in 2025. And here is the 5-year picture. If SoundHound maintains organic revenue growth above 50% annually, which management has previously guided for their revenue, could reach nearly $1.3 billion by 2030. Applying a price to sales multiple of 7.4 times in line with the application software industry average, the company's market cap could reach $9.6 billion by 2030. That is more than double their current market cap, from a stock that is already down 27% this year. 5 catalysts I am watching. Catalyst 1. On-device AI deployment. The multimodal on-device platform unveiled at NVIDIA GTC opens a completely new category of automotive and enterprise AI revenue that did not exist before this week. Catalyst 2. Voice commerce going live in 2026. Management specifically highlighted that voice commerce, which allows customers to make purchases through voice AI, is transitioning from pilot programs to full production in 2026. This is an entirely new revenue stream coming online. Catalyst 3. Enterprise Agentic AI expansion. The Amelia 7 platform is being pushed into hundreds of new enterprise accounts through the Bridgepoint and Manpower Group partnerships. Each new enterprise account is high-value recurring revenue. Catalyst 4. Restaurant and retail scaling. With over 10,000 locations already deployed, the flywheel is spinning. Five Guys expanded. More chains are evaluating. Each new location is recurring revenue with near zero incremental cost. Catalyst 5. Path to profitability. Near break-even adjusted EBITDA guided for 2026. The moment this company reports its first profitable quarter, institutional money that cannot hold in profitable small caps starts looking at this stock very differently. Next earnings report is May 7, 2026. That is the first earnings call that will reflect the impact of Sales Assist, the NVIDIA GTC platform, and the new enterprise partnerships announced in Q1 2026. That is a catalyst event. Now the analyst picture. H.C. Wainwright has a buy rating. The stock is currently trading at $7.87. 52-week range $6.52 to $22.17. The stock is down 64% from its 52-week high. Down 64%, while revenue is growing 99%. That disconnect between the operating performance and the stock price is the entire thesis. Obviously, this is not a profitable company yet. EBITDA is negative. Net losses continue. Customer concentration in automotive creates execution risk. The stock is highly volatile. These are real risks you must understand before making any decision. But a company growing revenue at 99%, with $248 million in cash and almost zero debt, $1.2 billion in contracted backlog, unveiling on-device AI at NVIDIA GTC this week, guiding to $225 to $260 million in 2026. and trading 64% below its 52-week high. Is not a company you walk past without understanding the full story. The company is SoundHound AI Incorporated, ticker symbol SOUN. Check NASDAQ.com for the current price before making any decisions. That is your complete analysis on SoundHound AI. If this video gave you value today, hit that thumbs up right now. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our daily stock alerts here on Stock Alerts Daily. Drop a comment below. Are you watching SOUN right now? I read every single comment. See you tomorrow with another fresh analysis. Do not miss it. And as always, nothing in this video is financial advice. This stock is shared for informational and educational purposes only. Always do your own research. Always check NASDAQ.com for the current price before making any decisions. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.